was lying in my bed last night, staring at a ceiling full of stars, when it suddenly hit me, I just have to let you know how I feel.
We live together in a photograph of time. Now look into your eyes and the seas open up to me. I tell you I love you, and I always will. And I know you can't tell me. I know you can't tell me. So I'm left to pick up the hints, the little symbols of your devotion. So I'm left to pick up the hints, the little symbols of your devotion. And I feel your feet, and I know it's out of love, and I feel the wind, and I know it's out of love, and I feel your burning eyes, burning holes straight through my heart, out of love. It's out of love. And I accept and I collect upon my body the memories of your devotion. And I accept and I collect upon my body the memories of your devotion. And I feel your feet,